What if the future of cloud computing is not just about storage and computing power, but also about intelligent interaction? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence and cloud computing come together to create a seamless, efficient, and innovative user experience. That's where we're heading. Chatbots powered by AI are becoming a critical element in numerous industries, and cloud computing is no exception. These intelligent systems are not just about answering frequently asked questions or providing customer service. They're integrating into cloud computing platforms, making them more sophisticated, intuitive, and user-friendly. They're revolutionizing how we interact with data, how we manage resources, and even how we secure our systems. As cloud computing continues to evolve, chatbots are becoming an integral part of this transformation. So, what does this mean for you? How is this shift going to impact the way you interact with the cloud? As we delve into how chatbots are transforming cloud computing, let's consider real-world case studies that highlight this evolution. The first transformation we see is in customer service. Now, imagine having a helpful assistant available round the clock, ready to answer your queries and troubleshoot problems you might encounter. This is exactly what chatbots bring to the table for cloud computing companies. Taking a closer look at Amazon Web Services, or AWS, we see a prime example of this transformative technology. AWS's chatbot acts as a dedicated support agent, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This diligent digital assistant is instrumental in providing swift and accurate responses to customer queries, from simple FAQs to complex troubleshooting. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, these chatbots are capable of learning and adapting to provide even more tailored and efficient customer service over time. This is not just a convenience, it's a game changer. The AWS chatbot illustrates how customer service in cloud computing can be revolutionized by chatbots. Chatbots are not just customer service tools, they're also enhancing security in cloud computing. To illustrate this, let's take a look at IBM's Watson for cybersecurity. Watson is a chatbot that's been trained on vast amounts of data, including data related to security incidents and threats. It uses this knowledge to identify potential threats and flag them for further investigation. Imagine a security analyst faced with thousands of potential threats. Sorting through these manually would be a Herculean task. But Watson, with its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly, can sift through these potential threats, identifying the ones that require immediate attention. This not only enhances security measures, but also frees up the analyst to focus on the more complex aspects of security management. In addition, Watson uses machine learning to continually improve its threat detection capabilities, becoming more adept at identifying potential security breaches over time. IBM's Watson for cybersecurity exemplifies how chatbots can enhance security measures in cloud computing. Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's delve into another increasingly important aspect of chatbots in cloud computing: disaster recovery. In the world of cloud computing, disasters can strike at any moment, whether they're cyber attacks, power outages, or even human error. The aftermath can be catastrophic, with potential loss of data and service disruption. This is where chatbots come into play. Take Amazon Web Services chatbot, for instance. It integrates with AWS services like Amazon CloudWatch and AWS Health to provide real-time alerts about system failures. When a disaster occurs, the chatbot sends notifications to the concerned teams, allowing them to take swift action. But it doesn't stop there. The AWS chatbot also provides recommendations for disaster recovery, based on the nature of the incident and the configuration of the affected resources. This allows for quicker recovery times, minimizing the impact of the disaster. Furthermore, the AWS chatbot uses machine learning to improve its disaster response capabilities over time. It learns from each incident, refining its algorithms to provide more accurate alerts and recovery suggestions in the future. The AWS chatbot is a prime example of how chatbots can play a pivotal role in disaster recovery in cloud computing. Now let's get back to our discussion on chatbots in cloud computing. Chatbots are also playing a crucial role in cloud management and optimization. Let's delve into this by looking at a prime example: Google Cloud's Chatbase. This chatbot platform is designed to streamline the management and optimization of cloud resources. But how does it do this, you ask? It's quite ingenious, really. Chatbase identifies inefficiencies in the cloud environment, such as underutilized resources or bottlenecks in data flow. From there, it uses this information to make suggestions for improvement. It's like having a personal assistant constantly keeping an eye on your cloud infrastructure, pointing out areas that could use a little tweaking. This not only saves time, but also ensures that resources are used to their maximum potential, ultimately improving the overall performance of the cloud environment. And the best part? This is all done in real time, allowing for immediate action and adjustment. Google Cloud's Chatbase demonstrates how chatbots can facilitate efficient cloud management and optimization. Another transformation we see is in data analysis and insights. Chatbots are now redefining the way we analyze data in cloud computing. Let's take a look at Microsoft's Azure Bot service, which perfectly illustrates this point. This bot service is not just a virtual assistant, it's a key player in data analysis. Azure Bot Service has the ability to sift through massive amounts of cloud data, analyze it, and provide valuable insights. It's like having a personal data scientist on your team, capable of identifying patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. These insights can help businesses make informed decisions, optimize operations, and even predict future trends. Moreover, Azure Bot Service can retrieve data from various sources, analyze it in real time, and provide instant responses. This level of efficiency and speed is game-changing in the world of cloud computing. Microsoft's Azure Bot Service shows how chatbots can transform data analysis and insights in cloud computing. Lastly, chatbots are transforming training and education in cloud computing. With the advent of intelligent chatbots, learning has taken a fascinating turn. Let's take Salesforce's Einstein as an example. Einstein, an AI-powered chatbot, is designed to provide a personalized learning experience. It offers interactive training sessions, helping users understand the intricate world of cloud computing. From basics to complex queries, Einstein is equipped to tackle it all. Moreover, it provides educational content tailored to the user's needs. This could be anything from a novice learning cloud computing fundamentals to a professional seeking to deepen their expertise. Einstein makes learning dynamic and engaging, moving away from the traditional, often monotonous learning methods. Furthermore, Einstein equips users with real-time insights and updates about the cloud computing landscape, allowing them to stay ahead of the curve. This case study of Salesforce's Einstein exemplifies how chatbots can revolutionize training and education in cloud computing. The integration of chatbots in cloud computing is just the beginning. We're entering an era where advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing are growing at an unprecedented rate. These advancements are crucial for the evolution of chatbots in cloud computing, paving the way for a future where chatbots could become even more integrated into our cloud services. Imagine a world where chatbots can predict and solve technical issues before they even occur, or where they can provide real-time data analysis and insights tailored to your specific needs. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for growth is immense. As we look to the future, it's clear that the integration of chatbots in cloud computing is not just a passing trend, but a significant shift in the way we interact with technology. As we continue to innovate, the role of chatbots in cloud computing will only continue to grow and evolve. We've reached the end of our discussion on how chatbots are shaping cloud computing. We've covered a lot of ground, from the role of chatbots in customer service, security measures, disaster recovery, cloud management, data analysis and training, to the promising future of chatbots in the cloud computing industry. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the rapidly evolving world of cloud computing and the central role chatbots are playing in it. If you found this video helpful and enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. It helps us to reach more people and provide them with useful information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on a variety of topics. We're always exploring new subjects and sharing our findings with you. And last but not least, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts on the topic. We appreciate your feedback and it helps us create better content for you in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.